Hey everyone, Mr. Steve 169 here. Today's not going to be a video on the Spitfire. I've actually been waiting on some parts for that I've had to order out of England. And getting parts from England to Montana is not the quickest thing in the world. So on today's video, we're going to be replacing the shift cable in my 2003 Silverado. So stay tuned while we get that taken care of. Alright, now when you get your shift cable, it's going to come in two pieces. We have the lower piece, this one, that connects to the transmission, and then we have the upper piece, this one, which goes in the cab. Now in my case, what's wrong with mine is that these little prongs right here are broken off, which is causing my transmission cable to move when I take it in and out of gear. Because that's broken and I no longer have the horseshoe clip, I had to get a new one. So keep that in mind, that if that piece is broken, you may also need a new clip. Alright, now the first thing we've got to do is take this fascia panel off so we can take off this kick panel. To do that, make sure you lower your shift lever all the way down. And it just pops right up and comes right out. Next, we'll get that fascia panel off. Alright, so we've got two 7mm fasteners, one on each end, one here, one way over here. They need to come off so we can pull this kick panel. And then it's just a nice sharp tug. Alright, so next we're going to go right underneath the column. We take this panel off. We've got four 10mm fasteners, two on either side. And there it is. Alright, so now we've got the cable on the shift selector side. So we'll pop it off right here. And then down here, we've got a horseshoe clip. We'll just pop that off. Then we'll need some needle nose pliers to get in and undo right here. I might be able to do it with just our screwdriver. And on top, there. There we go. There. Next, we're pulling back carpet. Alright, so for this next part, we can go ahead and pop off this trim piece. Now we can pull back the carpet. Go ahead and take that out. Alright, so we've got one more back up in here. It is this upper one. Right there. You have to get at it from behind. It's 12mm. So then once that is undone, we have enough room to get this cable out. Alright, so we got everything unhooked on top. Now it's time to go underneath and get everything unhooked down there. Alright, so we're going to follow the shift cable. That's where it comes from the cab. It's going to come around here. That needs to be unhooked. And goes over this chassis, down, back, and over the transfer case right there. And to the transmission. And right there is the piece that's broken off. So we'll go ahead and unhook it right here. Maybe. There we go. And then it's already unhooked here. I'll just go ahead and undo that. And then we gotta come over here and undo that. And the way that this unhooks is this just slides back, and then these come out. So I will get that taken care of and come back to you. Alright, so once you get that apart, and these two halves of the cables just slide right apart. Alright, now since that didn't come apart how I expected it to, and how it's supposed to, I'm just going to cut it. There we go. Now it's apart. Alright, so we got the cable out. Now it's time to run the new cable. Alright, so we got the new cable run up through here. Now we'll just go ahead and get it all attached. Alright, so that's in. Next we'll put all our little horseshoe clip in. And attach it right there. Alright, so that is on there. Now we'll run it down through the bottom and hook it up to the transmission side. Alright, so next thing to do is to get this lower cord on the transmission side hooked up. So here we have the part that was broken on mine. So there's that. And we'll hook it up on this side. So I gotta put the little horseshoe clip in, and we can finish running it back and get them connected. There we go, that's in. Now, gotta get it connected in the proper locations. So here we've got a clip that can come out. And there, we've got another clip that can come out. There we got one of them. And there's the other one. Now we just gotta find those same clips on here. so we can get them put in. Here's the one for the part coming from inside. Goes right there. Well, maybe it doesn't have one. Well, I'll just go ahead and join them up. Alright, now when you go to attach everything, you can adjust the stiffness by pushing this piece in further. Now you'll notice the end of the threads here, and that gives me just the right amount of stiffness so I can get from park all the way down to first gear. So I just push this all the way down and put that on, and then we attach it back up to the frame, and we're done. Alright everyone, so that is how you replace your shift cable in your 2003 Silverado with an automatic transmission. I hope you all enjoyed the video, so stay tuned until the next one.